So you're going to take cael, and you'd like to do a bit of preparation first. Where to begin? There's a wide range of prep options available, including both free and paid materials. Right now, let's take a closer look at some of our free materials, in particular, cael webinars. Whatever you'd like to learn about, we've got a webinar for you. We've got a whole series about the format and strategies for the different components of cael, as well as dedicated webinars for speaking and writing. You can check out the complete selection on the cael website. From here, just choose whatever webinars you'd like to attend and register for them under a variety of dates. And if you miss the live session, don't worry, we host our webinars frequently, and you can also check out recorded versions on YouTube if that's more convenient. So what does it look like when you attend a webinar? Well, they're all hosted by cael experts, and you'll attend over Zoom. This is a great opportunity to not only learn more about the test, but also ask any questions you've been wondering about. You'll also find in-depth PDF study packs on the website, summarizing all the content covered in the webinar. So take a look at our selection of webinars and see which ones may be right for you. See you soon!